Hi there everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to insert YouTube video in Canva. So let's get started. First of all, you need to tap on the apps on the left side. So tap on the apps, and then from here on the search bar you need to search embed. Alright, so search for the embed and tap on the embed, and then from here you will see the embed app right over here. So tap on that, and then as you can see you can add any kind of videos like the YouTube videos, Vimeo, Anted, and many more things you can add. So from here let's just tap on the YouTube, and then as you can see this is the interface or the preview of the YouTube video that you will get. So you can simply tap on this edit link option, select all the link, delete this, and then paste your YouTube video link like this, and then tap on done. So that's how you can add. And also you can simply do is to go here on the paste web link. So go here, paste your YouTube video link, and then tap on add to design. So it will also add the YouTube video in Canva. So that's how you can simply add or embed YouTube video in Canva. So hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if it works for you or not, and I will get you guys in the pretty next one.